Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Sir, in Anjuna 175 illegal structures matter, what happened today?
See, the High Court has today said that insofar as residential houses are concerned, there will not be a ceiling of those residential houses, whichever are there. As far as commercial houses or structures are concerned, they have said that those who have permissions from the Panchayat or TCP should approach the High Court, and the High Court will consider positively their cases. As far as those people who do not have these licenses from the Panchayat and the TCP, they should approach the Panchayat and the TCP, obtain the permission and come to the High Court for desealing. In the meanwhile, they have said that whichever are not falling in the category of residential areas or residential structures, they will be sealed, and the compliance report will be filed in the next week.